Alrighty, so we are back once again, and this time we are finally back with React. By the way, sorry for yesterday. I had some work, so I could not really do anything about it. Let me enable this. And by the way, my vivas are over, and now I'll just have to wait till the grades are out. I mean, not really wait, but yeah, you get that. You get it, right? So we are here. Uh, what basically the thing is that I was, given extension for a course, and I am trying to. Yes, I am trying to revise React from it as quickly as I can, and then so basically then after that I can start creating the projects. And yeah, by the way, this video is going to be a bit shorter because I have to go eat after this, and yeah, I'm really starving. So anyways, we'll do whatever we can. I am starting with but I'm going to mute the audio because again the lectures are in Hindi, so most of you might not understand. And I'll just be following this code. This basic React app, yeah, this one was created first, if I'm not wrong. So, anyways, let me close all these and let me open a few of these, I guess. Uh, 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 but yeah, anyways. So, our mind had been, kind of decluttered because of you and all of these things. But these kind of things are similar though, like this function app, which is returning a component or whatever the terminology here is. We are going to follow that, and then we are exporting the app and doing all that. Here is our main JSX file, which has like these things, and it's rendering our app in the strict mode and all that. But anyways, let us go. So let me go to react.dev. Yeah. So again, the same terminology is used here, I guess, which is components. So So component is like a function, because function, if you know, it's also a reusable part of code. And yeah. So if, for example, if we have created a sum function, then we can call it whenever we want to get a sum. Same with components. If you have made one, you can reuse it. So this thumbnail is a different component. This like button is a different component, and all that. So here they have created this video list, and the same list, they that component they have used here. And yeah, so it is same as you, because a component also has styling, it also has HTML, it also has functionality, logic, whatever. So yeah, so that part is similar, and in that way Vue was or is similar to React. But yeah. and as it was with Vue and components were made by .vue files. In React, we have .jsx, although you might have already seen it here. So yeah, and JSX full form is JavaScript extension syntax. And I was just reading that it is optional, obviously. Again, same with the Vue. Also, it was optional if you wanted to use .u files or not. But most project you use that. Same with React here. So for convenience, basically. And there was a tool called Babel, and I think it is the same for Vue and React again, because with this JSX files or .vue files, what that tool does is it transpiles the code into pure JavaScript, so the browser can understand it and stuff. So we are able to write the HTML and logic and everything in one place, but behind the scenes, it is converting everything to JS code. And what we can do actually is fork this so it will open Sandbox, and then we can also go to Babel and try it out, and then this code, which is the JSX code. I think yeah, we can do it here. So as you can see, this is the input, which is JSX code, and this is the output. So it is doing some other things. Import JSX has do everything function, and here it is returning. This is pure return here underscore JSX. Then there's button, there's children of it. Same thing here, and yeah. So that was it for the intro, I guess. But to create something, we can just do npm create white at latest. By the way, there was this create React app which was used some time ago, but it is finally deprecated. So, yeah. Do we have this blog here? Okay. Okay, we don't. So let me. 4 reasons why you should prefer white over create React app. Yeah. I think I had seen this and saved somewhere, but I don't remember right now. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I think we already have this installed. So after you create that, let me cd to basic React app and let me do npm render and it should open here. Yeah. So that is the thing. So form we are doing, right? So this is the form, and this is the code we have written. So that is what we are getting displayed here. If you had created a like new one from scratch, you would see some existing things from before, but we already had this created. So whatever we are importing here and showing here, that can be done. So yeah, and you can see all the dependencies in this node modules like Babel and everything else. This is SVG file, which is the icon that is getting shown here. And this is also SVG, which was basically shown if you created a new project. Right now, we are not using it anywhere. We also have these things and everything else. And there is a CSS file, and these are the things that it was doing out of the box and providing. So it has given some classes and provided the styling. There is media queries and everything else. And this is our app component, similar to there was a view file as called as app.view. It's the same thing here. And the styling for that is written here. And this index.html is what gets rendered if you see. But the thing is that if you can see here, it says div id root. So this div is getting rendered, and here we have this HTML file. So it's only loaded once. This HTML file is loaded, and then whenever, like, if we go somewhere else, somewhere else, whatever, it does not reload this page. It just navigates through the components. So here you can see the root has some styling and everything else. So in yeah, in here you can also see. So we are getting the document.get element by id, and we are creating the root file, and we are getting this root. So that is what being created here. And if I say, let's say, this is my first React app, you can see it is updated here. and it was auto refreshed. I didn't have to do anything here. And we are importing this strict mode from React, create root from React DOM/slash client. We're also importing the CSS file here, but we don't really have a need for that. And then we are importing the app, which is this in here as well. So basically, this is a div which has the ID root. It's connected to this main.jsx, and in main.jsx, what we are doing is we are accessing this root element, and inside that we are rendering this app component. An app component itself is getting a form component from somewhere, which is this, and that is what is being shown. And we are also exporting the app. And styling for this index.html is provided here. And for this app, we have given styling here. So that's why they are two different things. And generally, we don't change anything in our index.html, and neither we do change anything in our main.jsx, because that's how it is working. So whatever changes we want to do, we'll just do in app.jsx. And that's also kind of high level, because again, as you are seeing here, we are not even changing that much in app.jsx. We are just importing some components, and then we are just displaying them here. So whatever components we want to display, we can create them, like a button or form or product tab, anything, and then we can import them here. And when we are referring to app component, this function app is actually our app component. Same thing, we here also we are writing a form function, and we are directly exporting it rather than doing this. So we are just saying export default function, and then there is form. So that was for the basics. Now I think it is time for me to go actually, and have my dinner because I am getting hungry. So yeah, uh, I will be stopping this server and taking my leave. And hopefully, I mean, not hopefully, obviously, we will continue this tomorrow. By the way, I only have this access to for 2 more days or something. So I'm going to try my best to continue this and finish it, obviously. And meanwhile, also doing the revision for DSA so that after this is over, I can start DSA streams again, or DSA, basically start doing DSA on videos again, and also start with my first project of React. So yeah, that will also be fun. We will be creating a new project from scratch, and let's see how it goes. But anyways, that is it for now. I will be seeing you next time tomorrow. And if you have watched till now, and if you have still stuck around, then thank you for watching. And have a good day, or a great day, or night, whenever you are watching this. If you are watching this, why am I repeating stuff? Anyways, so I will be signing off, and yeah, bye bye.